Hello friends, in this video we will explain how to remove image backgrounds using Canva. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe and like button. Let's go. First, click on Create Design, choose Custom Design, and choose Logo Size. We go to Upload and upload the image from which we want to remove the backgrounds. For me, I would choose this picture. Click on the image, then click on Edit, then choose Remove Background. Now the image is ready to download. In the second example we will do the same things, but we will take the image from Elements. Our image is ready, click Share and download it.